got a couple more left from the Metal on Metal album. The first one of the two is lyrics that were written by Dave Squirrely Allison, our late guitar player that passed away almost 2 years ago. Let's hear it for Dave, come on. Somebody was talking to me about him outside, right? Which one of you guys?
This guy right here.
Yeah, maybe it was you, I don't remember. Oh yeah, right on it. Yeah, Squirrely was a great guy, man. We're gonna miss him. You know, it's not that, you know, just because he left the band doesn't mean we weren't gonna be friends anymore. In fact, I've stayed friends with him for the past 40 years, and well, now it's all over with. I'm gonna miss him real bad. In any case, this song would never exist had he not been there. A song we call Jackhammer.